Become an expert in software development. Start the Premium Life course to equip yourself to lead the way in the fastest growing IT industry. Achieve professional excellence by qualifying as a software developer. Equip yourself with different set of skills and apply specialized qualification into software development. Study with A-Cube IT Solutions, experience cutting-edge technologies, SQL Server, C#, .NET Core, and many more. Learn how to build interactive desktop applications. Why study with A-Cube IT Solutions? Live sessions. No more recorded sessions. Interact with your instructor, learn and ask on the go. And you know what? The icing on the cake is all this is just for less than $2 per hour. So what are you waiting for? Register now.